Hello, everybody. My name is Tina, and today I'm coming to you to talk to you about a topic talking about Amazon Basic. And for those of you who do not know what I'm talking about or what is an Amazon Basic, that is the discussion for this particular video. If you have an Amazon Prime account, you can use Amazon Basics. And not just, hey Jennifer, not just ones that have Amazon Prime, but anybody can use it. However, you will have to pay shipping if you're not an Amazon Prime member. So, hey, Makiba. So for those of you who do not know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Tina. I am a homeschooling consultant and a health and wellness coach. I combine homeschooling and an oily way of life together in one place to help balance those pesky little emotions that can wreak havoc on a homeschool or just life in general with plant-based therapeutic products. That's what I do. So today we're going to go right back to that topic at hand that I was talking about, Amazon Basics. If you don't know about Amazon Basics, and you have an Amazon Prime account, you really need to check into it, because Amazon Basics is like something that Amazon offers, in which everyday things that you buy every day or that you have to buy on a regular basis, things such as tissue, paper towels, certain electronic things, they all have, hey Rhonda, they have things in which you can buy at a discount, or you can buy mostly in a bulk situation. So you're not buying just one or two items, you're buying it in bulk, but you're getting it for a very good price. And if you're Amazon Prime, you get 2-day free shipping with it. So let me just go over some of the things in which Amazon Basic offers. They offer different things with lighting, cell phone cases, things in well, let me just give you the categories. It's computers and accessories, cell phones and accessories, tools and home improvement, books, home and kitchen, toys, games, electronics, cameras and photos, industrial, health, household, baby care, clothing, shoes. I mean, the list goes on and on and on of actually what Amazon Basics actually offer. And I don't think many of us, we just go on and Amazon haphazardly and just order stuff that we're looking for, but never try to get the deals. And I am a person like this. I do not buy anything. Very seldom I will buy something full price. That's just how I am, because I know that things are offered at a discount price, and I'm going to find that discount, because at the end of the day, I need to stay within my budget, but yet I still need other things. So as a homeschooler, if you are a homeschooler or not, this still can be very beneficial for you, because if you hold the Amazon Prime account, use it. Use all these different little features that you probably don't even think about, because we're just going on there just looking for whatever we're looking for. But if you have to, like just now, we just ordered what we needed. I'm glad to know this. Thank you, Rhonda. Well, I just ordered tissue. And I'm talking about, this box was massive. The thing is that I want you to understand, when you buy like things like tissue and stuff like that with Amazon Basic, you are not all the time going to get what they call the name brand tag name on whatever the product. Like, say for example, you want to buy Charmin tissue. There is not going to be listed as Charmin. It's going to be listed as the name that Amazon holds. I can't remember their name of their particular company that they use for tissue, but it's going to have that name on it, but it's going to be compared to that particular high-end name brand name. Now, I bought Angel Soft, the substitute for Angel Soft, and this stuff is guaranteed. So if you don't like the product, you can send it back. I'm being truthfully honest with you. Amazon version of Angel Soft is way better than than the name brand, and I got way more. Like, I don't have to buy tissue for like a whole month or two, because I got so much in bulk at one time for just like $19.95 and free shipping, that I don't even have to buy. I am no longer going to buy tissue and stuff like that, and trash bags. I bought like 150 trash bags, I think, for like $12 or $10. Free shipping. good quality trash bags, not those little cheap trash bags. I'm talking about good trash bags that I paid a fraction of the cost for, that quality wise is as good as their competitors that are name brand or better. In the case with my tissue, better. In the case of my trash bags, they was right up there with all the high-end name brand. No problems, no ripping through and all that good stuff. I buy my batteries from Amazon Basics because you get maybe about 6 to 10 different batteries. And you pay one price, and when you start getting into rechargeable batteries and stuff, you know how pricey that can get. They have an amazing assortment of different things in which you can personally use and utilize to help save some money, and at the same time you're getting more bang for your buck, because these are things that you have to buy as a consumer. Toilet tissue, batteries when you need it, cell phone chargers. I bought an Amazon Basics tripod for only $10, but yet the competitors, the exact same type and kind, was $25. And this Amazon Basics tripod does the exact same thing that the other tripod does, and it's really, really sturdy. And I use it when I go live to hold my phone, and it's like a double dual. You can use it for your cell phone, your your tablets, and also your regular camera. So, and you can it has a lot of features. So next, hey Eric. So I'm encouraging you guys, check out your Amazon Basics. Go in the search engine, you put Amazon Basics, and you can see all the different stuff that they're offering for a discounted rate. Because you're buying in bulk, you're getting more bang for your buck. You're getting way, way more. So instead of just all the time going to the store spending this amount, X amount of money for a certain item that you know you have to have, and you think you're doing good because you're getting it in the economy size, which is the store version. When you buy from Amazon Basics, let me tell you, it is even larger. And let me tell you, the quality of these products, I have been using it for a while now. It is amazing, and it really helped save a lot of money. Like chargers, surge chargers, let's see, shelves. What else? Portable, what that is? A portable wine holder, Bluetooth speakers, computers and accessories, cell phone accessories, organizers, plates, let's see, cube sets, games, this is just safe. They have photo studios, they have surgeon cables, they have tool sets, towels, tissue, paper towels, trash. I mean, the list goes on and on. Hey, Rhythm. So, if you have an Amazon Prime account, go ahead and just go over there to Amazon, and not just to shop aimlessly looking for what you're looking for. Check out Amazon Basics. It will help you get bang for your buck. Get that big old economy, so you won't have to keep going back and forth to the store all the time. And they drop it off right at your front door. Like, what? I don't have to do a store run. Yes. So use it. Use the Amazon. And all this week, I'm going to be talking about various different features dealing with Amazon that you may have not even known about or may have not paid attention to. Because now I'm trying to do like some theme weeks where I'm going to gradually progress or build on the topic in which I'm talking about. So today, for this week, I decided to talk about everything Amazon. And of course, I need about 2 or 3 weeks to talk about that, but I'm just going to do a week's worth of content specifically talking about Amazon, and especially if you have Amazon Prime. I don't even think you guys know how much Amazon has to offer. Many people don't, but you know your girl, I peruse and I check and I try these things out, and so I can tell you about it. I do their 5-item subscription to get 20% off. Yes, that's another subscription plan. That is another thing, and buying in bulk. Buying in bulk is the way to go, especially if it's something that you have to always get. There are so many different incentives that Amazon Prime actually offers, and I'm gonna go over that little by little this week. So thank you guys, all my live viewers that are watching me right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. And those of you who are watching the replay, please put hashtag replay and let me know where you're tuning in from. Just this weekend, if I'm not mistaken, I know it was last week, I actually had somebody watching from Germany. So, woo! I was so excited that I had someone international that watched my video. Yeah, Rhonda said I need to look at my subscription thing. Yes, you do, because you paid for it. You need to look at it, Rhonda. Eric, you're welcome for the information. Stay tuned all this week. I am going to be hopping on talking about other different features that Amazon actually have, because most of us, whether you're homeschoolers or not, just about everybody has Amazon. I have not walked across too many individuals that does not have an Amazon account, because it saves you money and it's so easy. Hey, Rachel. So if you have it, use it. Use those features. They're there. Get more bang for your buck. So you guys, I will talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for the other videos this week. We're going to be talking about everything Amazon and what they have to offer. Well, a little bit, because like I said, how many things Amazon offer, I can literally go like a whole month talking about the things that Amazon have. But I'm trying to pick some of the top things that I want to tell you about with Amazon. And maybe I may do another week, like rest the week and come back and do another week, because I don't think you know, but I'm going to tell you. And you're going to be shocked and amazed, and then you can be a more wise shopper and use your membership for the good. Let your membership work for you a little bit. Okay, you guys, I will talk to you later. Thank everyone for commenting. I love it when you comment and stuff, so I can interact with you and know what you're thinking and talk with you. I really appreciate everyone who have taken the time to comment. Let me know you're out there, telling me a quick hello. I appreciate it. I will see you guys. Oh, and thank you for all the hearts. I appreciate it. Remember to like, share, and follow me on all social media forum or platforms that I'm on. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, and here on Facebook as Homeschooling Oils, and also Tina Jacobs Ramsey. You guys have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye.